background music. Narrator. Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Want to know the secret to getting more views on your YouTube videos? Well, you're in luck, because we've got some insider tips to share with you. Transition sound effect. Narrator. First things first, make sure to create eye-catching, visually appealing thumbnails for your videos. This will entice viewers to click and watch your content. Clicking sound effect. Narrator. Next, be sure to optimize your video titles and descriptions with relevant keywords. This will make it easier for people to find your videos when they search on YouTube. Keyboard typing sound effect. Narrator. Additionally, promote your videos
on other social
media platforms to reach
a wider audience
and bring more traffic to your channel.
Notification sound effect. Narrator.
And lastly,
engage with your audience
by responding to comments and creating content that people want to share with their friends. Applause sound effect. Narrator. So, there you have it, folks. Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to getting more views on your YouTube channel. Upbeat outro music.